So because we've got so many events next year, some abroad, some in the UK, we wanted something that we could transport, build and break down easily ourselves in-house. As many as possible, but realistically next year it's probably going to be this stand, probably about six to eight. So one of our first events is actually over in Germany, is the FIBO Expo in Cologne. So that will be one of the first we're going to exhibit this stand at. Fantastic. So from first contact, speaking to Mike, which was concept creation, through to speaking to Rachel, who was our project manager, taking us through the design process, all the way through to Angelo and Trev today, who've helped us build the stand. Great. Me and Rach aren't the most DIY savvy people, so having two people that would take the time with us, explain things thoroughly and just be patient with us was fantastic. Absolutely. I'm sure there's a lot of people that we work with that would benefit from someone as skilled as you guys helping them with a stand build.